So we need some terminology because we're going to do a lot of talking about prices and discount rates and so forth, and I want to make sure that you understand the difference between each of these concepts. So the first thing is the list price. And list price is the price of an item as it is listed for public sale. So that's what you go to the store and you see on the item itself. So a discount is the amount of money that is going to be deducted from the list price. So the asking price minus any sale discount that they're going to give you. So the discount rate is the percentage of the list price that will be deducted. And for example, 30% off, 40% off, etc. Or my favorite, 70% off. So the sales price is the price of the item after the discount has been subtracted off. So that's the price that you're going to pay for that item when it's on sale. And so you might have heard retail and wholesale prices. And what we're talking about there, wholesale price is the amount of money that a store pays for an item that it's going to offer to the public. And the retail price is the amount of money that the store is asking the public for that item. So wholesale is the amount the store pays, retail is the amount the consumer or you and I pay. And just so you know, the reason that there's a big difference between those two is because the stores have to make money. They have to pay for their electric, they have to pay for their rent, they have to pay for their employees, and they have to pay any other like parking lots to be resurfaced, any kind of maintenance that they have to do. All of that comes from that difference between what the store pays and what the consumer pays. So it's not like a giant ripoff. They have to make money too. Then we have a couple of formulas. The sale price is the list price minus the discount. And the sale price, we can also write it as the list price times 1 minus the discount rate. So if we know that we have, say, a 50% discount rate, we can think of, that would have to be, so if we have a discount of, say, 50%, then we would take that 1 minus 0.5, because 50% is 0.5, and we would get 0.5 for that, and we're just looking at this part right here. And for that, what that tells you is that if you start with 50% off, that's the same as 0.5 on or 50% on. And for example, if you did a 70% off, then that would be 1 minus 0.7, because that would be the equivalent of 70% as a decimal. And when you subtract those, you get 0.3. And so remember, that's 30% on. Okay, so that's what's going on with this little piece right here. And so you take the list price times whatever is the on, how much ever is going to be the on, and then that'll give you your sale price. Okay. And we'll look at that a lot more.